Do you want to download the Shizuku app? In today's video, I'm going to guide you on how to download Shizuku on Android 14, 15, and 16. So first off, you coming across the channel, please subscribe to the channel. Let's dive right into the video. So all you need to do, you need to go to your browser. On your browser, you're typing in you're typing in Shizuku. Opening in on your browser. I'm going to be using my Chrome to show you guys. Then you're clicking on the first link. Yeah. So once you click on that, you need to scroll down gently and continue scrolling down till you get to releases and click on latest. So here you're going to scrolling down till you get to assets. Then click on the first link here. So you're going to clicking on download anywhere. I've already downloaded mine, so you're going to clicking on that. I am going to start downloading. You can go ahead and see the text. And here your Shizuki gets downloaded, and this, as you can see here, your Shizuki is already downloaded to your device. So you need to tap on it and install it just like this. You're going to click on that and go to see install Shizuki, and here it's showing me update. So I'm going to be updating my Shizuki. So that is how you can actually download and install Shizuki on Android 14, 15, and 16. If I those the helpful because I come to the end of this video, please just subscribe to the channel. Tell me in the comment section if you find anything difficult on this channel. I want to stay to give you feedback. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye.